Hello guys, you send us a lot of comments about to record house cheaper than 60 or 25 million, so we found one right for you.
We've been filming a lot. If you guys have been following along the real estate series, I guess we've been doing like multi-million dollar, even resorts and mansions. So now we want to film this house that our friend is selling, just finished building. Like literally they're still painting the trim and they just put in the sod. But this is one that a lot of people can afford. And it's right here in the center of Dauin, up the mountain a little bit. And it checks all the boxes that we talked about in another video that makes it safe to buy here in the Philippines. So yeah, we should probably go check it out.
Yeah.
He was a builder in the States and he built this himself. And so this is all like American quality. So he did no expense spared in this thing. And we can start right here at the front gate. They built these custom metal gates and it goes with the wall. The whole property's walled off like they all are here in the Philippines.
You know how I can easily say that it's not Filipino owner. There is no glass on the wall.
Oh, yeah. Also, they're sod. They laid the square sod. So
yeah.
Speaking of the grass, they just got it delivered and installed. It's not easy to find this stuff. This is Bermuda grass, and you know, it comes in the squares, so it's kind of looks all cut up and stuff right now because they just pieced it in. But by the time this is sold, it'll be all one piece. You know how it is in the States. That's how it all comes, or in big rolls. But it's not cheap and not easy to find here, so it's kind of a cool addition. And it makes this place look really good, sloping over this hill and on this side, both sides of the driveway.
Yeah, nice detail. And when you go to property, you will see this gazebo. It is sitting area and it has really nice view because it's lifted up. So you can see forest here, jungles, and a really nice place to chill and relax during hot summer day. And talking about yard, let's say about trees, yeah? They have 2 mango trees and 1 jackfruit already.
If you have a Filipino living with you, they're gonna be very happy.
Yeah. Except of trees, they didn't grow anything yet because mostly new owners want to grow their own plants and flowers or trees or whatever. So they keep this area empty until someone will buy it.
I think obviously the best aspect of this property is the pool and the big pool pump. That's also not cheap, but let's go check out the pool. So this is the 18 by 24 foot pool. The shallow end is 1 meter and the deep end is 2.5 meters. So this is a sand filtered pump, and let's check it out. Pretty nice little pool house or pump house. So this is a sand filtered pump. It's a big old system, and there's still a 1-year warranty and a 1-year free monthly pool servicing. They check the balance and the pH and the chlorine and make sure it's perfectly clear. I know they do a good job at my resort. So yeah, 1 year free monthly servicing.
Yeah, it's really good to have pool in the middle of jungles. You really need it.
Yeah, definitely. They have the metered water from the city that you can pay for, but they also have free water from the mountain because we're up here, lots of water, so they have that piped in as well. But water is basically free and doesn't go off. And with the pumps and the pressure tanks, they got lots of pressure inside. Speaking of which, they built this elevated, tall garden area all around the house on the retaining wall. Looks pretty good, and you can grow anything here. So this walkway between the house and the retaining wall and the garden, right here, this gravel walkway has French drains under it, which you did all over the property. The pool drains, you know, the pool deck area drains properly, everything drains properly, but this one has French drains under the gravel and it goes out. The pump house and everywhere else is American copper lined, so it'll never rust or corrode or anything like that. It's really high quality build. But that's what I like about it. We had a pool party here for like kind of a finishing thing, and there was water everywhere from the pool, you know, getting splashed, and it just drained out really nice. It was great.
And here is pump, yeah, with pressure tank.
Here's the pressure tanks for the house, and also copper lined never corrode on the inside of the tanks.
Here's another one elevated garden area where you can plant your plants behind house and have a nice view from the house inside. Yeah, what else I like about this house, here's sockets outside of the house, so you can plug in your tools if you need to repair anything, or you need to, I don't know, garden some garden machine or whatever. So it's nice detail.
As we come around the back of the house and to the side, there's a door on the side to the kitchen, kind of like a pantry entryway, so that you can bring groceries or whatever. You don't have to go in the big glass doors in the front.
And here is sitting area around pool with porch, so you can make here parties. And let's look inside.
Yeah, we've already tested it out. There's this big old seating area or flat platform around the pool, as well as this big American style open porch. So definitely have barbecues and pool parties and stuff out here. So as we walk in from the pool, the porch area, we get here and the tape is still on the windows. They just got installed. Obviously they're tinted like the whole rest of the house, but at this price, this house is obviously unfurnished. And in this case, it might be a good thing because I want to show you all the little details without some old furniture in the way. And the new buyer can put in their style, their furniture, whatever. So we showed you the water pressure tanks in the back. There's some really good high pressure water in the house. If you want like internet, you can get PLDT. It's available here because we're so close to the highway or the main road. But they're also selling Starlink, like I have at my shop, and a lot of people are getting now, which is, it works perfect. We're up here on the mountainside and it works just as good as in the city, or actually probably even better. So anyway, let's go inside, check it out.
And here is living area where you can spend your day in a house inside, right near from kitchen, where your wife or maybe your staff will cook for you. Here is nice kitchen with split aircon inside, a lot of lights, a lot of windows, so yeah, really good.
And these are granite top countertops and custom cabinets that they made. There's a few cabinet companies, but this is the best one they could find.
And lighting here installed in the cabinet, so it's really comfortable to cook your food here.
A nice oven hood for ventilation and smoke. Nice cabinets. It's pretty good quality build. You can't slam these ones. This room is big, and they put wiring for AC, plugins, whatever we want up in the attic, just in case you want to add on another room, make this a 4-bedroom. So they really thought of everything. Actually, well, we were just having a conversation with Julian, the owner. He said he's a builder back home. He's built this house just to sell, and he knew he wanted to make it so that he knew what the guys coming from America or Europe would want, would miss, and would look for if they just bought a house here that's traditionally made. That's why there's so many plugins everywhere. That's why there's like a water faucet, you know, a hose connector for a garden hose or to fill the pool or whatever outside. I don't see that ever. A lot of tiny details that you're gonna miss back home unless you have somebody like this build a house for you.
Yeah, and all sockets is good for US and UK standards, so you can plug in any device.
Yeah.
I'm always struggling with it.
My house that I'm renting right now, there's one plug-in per room. It's super annoying.
Somewhere in the top.
Yeah. And it don't work.
So in total it is 140 square meters inside of the house. It is 3-bedroom, 1 big living room with kitchen inside, and 2 CRs. One of them in a master bedroom, and second one in a living room.
So I remember when he was building this place, the cabinetry was a big nightmare. Really custom work, but it turned out perfect. Check it out. So they're like integrated into the wall. Big, huge, I guess wardrobe type cabinets. You put all your stuff, and they're like that in all the rooms. As well as these big windows that all open. Let's go check out these other rooms. It's really nice.
Yeah, this room basically the same, has the same cabinet, big, really huge. Yeah, so you can put here bed.
How many sockets? 6 in this room as well?
Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. At least 6 maybe here. No, 6 sockets here. But here is only one window. So in another room, 2 windows and view on plants outside, yeah, on the garden. Yeah, and here is yard for living room and kitchen.
So this is the main bathroom. It's real nice. And then the third bedroom. All the big cabinets.
Bedroom, yeah, sockets.
And then this one has a private bathroom. So maybe this is the master bedroom. 2 sinks.
Nice.
Open vents. It has what we call fart fans in America. All the bathrooms and the kitchen have the vents to keep out smells, moisture, and heat.
Yeah, it's really good detail. And sockets, of course, sockets. You can plug in your shower and.
How many sockets are in this little bathroom?
At least 2 here.
2 there.
And 1 here.
3 sockets just in this little bathroom.
Yeah.
It's awesome. Because we're up here in the mountains, maybe, I think it was about 10 minutes from the main highway on the beach. It's a little cooler, and he said he's never ran the AC full blast since he's been here. In fact, most days like this, the AC is not even on. It's fine. You just leave the doors open, and they got the screen doors, so no bugs can get in. Really cool details. So neighbor-wise, besides this property that's for sale, it's only one owner for this entire lot. So the only neighbor and the closest neighbor you got is this big old house over there by some Norwegian guy. So no piggeries, no karaoke, none of that. Really quiet area. Of course, there's chickens somewhere in the background out in the jungle, but you're never gonna find anywhere that doesn't have that in the Philippines. All right, Alex. So this is 700 square meters, this lot, fully walled, fully finished, or it will be this week with little details and paint trimmings. But how much is the owner asking?
12 million.
So 12 million pesos for this property. And one of the biggest aspects, besides the quality build and the little details that people miss, is that it has a clear, ready to transfer title. Of course, it has the right of way as well, but a lot of guys come here, they find the perfect house, the perfect land to build a house, whatever, but it has mother titles or this and that problem, you know, 16 signatories, takes 3-5 years, whatever. This one, he's already sorted, gone through all that headache. It's in one person's name and it's ready to transfer. So we're talking 4 to 6 months max.
Yeah, we already made a video about possible problems you can meet here in the Philippines buying house, so you can watch it later. And with this house you will avoid all this.
We checked all the boxes of our personal requirements of buying property as a foreigner. Anyways, there's way too many details yet again, just like all our other house videos, to talk about in one video. So if you guys want more information, Alex is gonna leave his email down below, or you want to come see it, we'll give a tour for people that are serious interested people, but just let us know.
So, and I told you guys it's really a lot of lights here. So what do you think about this house?
It's so really nice.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Do you like to live here?
Of course. It's so big and it's so nice. I like the tiles they choose. It's what I like too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's minimalistic design, and at the same time it's kind of modern. And from here you can see pool, and it has different lights inside.
Yeah. And I was like amazed because, you know, it's a wooden type look, and look at their ceiling, look at their drawers.
Yeah.
Yeah, I like the ceiling. Like, it's so nice.
Yeah.
It's paired with the wall because wall is white and dark ceiling. Like, it's so nice.
Yeah, so good design.
Yeah, really. Some other people used to use hard reflex.
Yeah.
Yeah, and sooner it will
Very
get
soon.
cracked. Yeah.
Yeah, but this one seems like plastic, but looks like wood.
Yeah.
So it's
I don't know. I don't know what they use, but it's so good.
yeah.
It's really good. Nice pair.
Thank you for your opinion. Appreciate it.
Yeah, you're welcome. Yeah, it's so good. It's so good.